Hi guys, let's take a look at this morning's move in the German DAX using our colours and our systems. Okay, so Monday morning you come into the markets as a day trader. You're expecting maybe a little bit quiet price action, but no, we just exploded on the German DAX this morning. A little bit sideways in the early hours as we wake up from a fantastic weekend. Hopefully you've had a nice weekend, guys. And then we got the buy signal, okay, early, just pre equities open in the European session. So we've got the green buy signal. Now, there was a hammer before that. This is a hammer candlestick. The body is small and it's at the top of the wick, okay? So buyers stepped in there, and then you get the confirmation on the Pro Trend system. Two candlesticks pulling back here, but still staying green, and then we get light green. You want to see light green when you are long the market. Light green straight away, little pullback, big light green candlestick. Two more light greens, little doji candlestick, another light green, and then an inside candlestick, and then turns red. Red means exit. All right, so we want to be out the trade from here to here. That's the profit in the morning move. So exiting the trade around 8:30 in the morning, and you're pretty much done for the morning session. Now, we just sold off all the way down here with red, okay? So tracks turned red eventually, red candlesticks, and then we found a little bit of a base. Now, let me show you what I was looking for, because I rarely trade past 10 a.m. in the morning for the morning move. It's important that you trade with the morning volatility, all right? And that comes from that 8 o'clock candlestick, you know, all the way up to 10, really, maybe 9:30, 10-ish time. You want to be done. That's your morning move over and done with. But this was what was setting up. We had a trend predictor long, okay, at 9 a.m. This green arrow here. We were looking at this in the live trading room saying, look, we've got this trend predictor long here, expecting the next candlestick to shoot up. Okay, so when you see that, this is the 1 hour time frame. So we always want to go to a bigger time frame. We don't want to just enter on a 2-minute or a 5-minute chart. We want the bigger time frames to be pulling the market momentum wise in a certain direction, and so that's why we go to a 1 hour time frame. A 1 hour time frame is much more powerful than a 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame is just our trigger to get into the trade. So bigger time frame leads, okay, and you can just carry on going up to the daily if you want to. But we have the trend predictor here, so that's telling us that the next candlestick is going to go up. This is 10 a.m. and I very rarely trade past 10 a.m. You see we've got a green buy signal right in here just at 10:05. Well, for me, I could go long with half position size here, but I just waited. I wanted to see the tracks turn green and the storyteller turn green as well. So we've got the green buy signal right in here. Pushed up really nicely. Tracks stayed green all the way up until we started getting white on the Pro Trading system. White means chop, sideways market. That's built into the system. If it turns white, like it's actually doing right here at the moment live, if it turns white, then you don't really want to trade it. But I was already in the trade once it was white. So I've got stop to break even. It's important that you manage risk by getting your stop to break even so you can't lose in the trade. I had nothing to lose in this trade. I had a little bit of profit in here, and then suddenly in the afternoon session, well, not afternoon, this was just after midday, going into the afternoon, we just exploded higher. Stay green all the way up here. This is the perfect start. You want the tracks to be green. You want the PTS to be green here. And then we exit on a red right here. And then we get the sloppy price action, but we do have another nice profit here. By that time, I'm done. So really good, profitable Monday morning to start the trading week off. Very nice buy signal. Classic DAX trading. FTSE done the same as well. But yeah, very nice. Like 40 odd points here, shy of just 100 points on that one. So a very solid live session in our live trading room this morning and this afternoon, guys, trading the German DAX. All right. Hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be showing you soon, by the way, some strategies how to trade US stocks using many years of experience when it comes to candlesticks and that gap in the afternoon on the US markets. And now it's all pretty much color based with our systems that we do. But I want to show you stuff that I did like 20 odd years ago. So that is coming soon, guys. I'm preparing those slides for your training coming up soon. So don't forget to like the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified when those videos are available for you. All right. Hopefully speak to you soon. Take care.